Hey Jennifer, thank you so much for asking and supporting our students this year. So I'm creating a real short video for you to let you know kind of where you are with TK20, and sorry that you didn't have access for a little while. So thank you again for reaching out. So when you go into TK20, there I am. I'm you, Jennifer. We're going to go to field experience, and then the student did move from current to previous. So if you click on the previous assessments, there is your student, and when you click on her name, it's going to open back up. And so what I see you still have is you do still have a few flags here. You've got some confirmation forms to sign, to put together, but then what you also have is the midpoint and the final evaluation for the teacher, and then the third and fourth rating here. So if you have any questions, if I can support you in any way of getting these, please let me know. If you have questions about logging in, if login or anything's changed, again, please let me know, and I will get back with you shortly. Have a great day.